this at, George?
Oh my gosh!
The human body?
It's a squishy human body!
I feel it, dude!
What do you think you do with it?
Look, it shows it pulling out the intestines.
Oh my gosh!
Point it this way.
Touch it right here!
Ew! Ew!
Point it this way, George. Oh, my goodness. Wow, that's right up your alley, isn't it?
Oh!
Hmm.
Ew!
Yay.
Look, Mommy! It's beautiful!
Wow, Brad, that's so awesome. It already works?
Oh, what's it got on there?